Hello all the foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some chicken biryani. So before trying this recipe, make sure you have all the ingredients listed in the video. Before starting the actual recipe of biryani, we have to marinate the chicken. So marinating a chicken is very essential. I've shown how to marinate your chicken into the video. After you keep the chicken aside, we will start preparing for the masala of the biryani. Take a pan, put some oil in it, and now add some whole spices in your pan. Let them crack. Add 1 cup of chopped onion. Stir them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn light golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute the onion once again. I have mentioned that you have to take 7 to 8 onions for the preparation, but here we have used only 1 cup of onion. So of the onions you have to brown them in hot oil. All your onions I have sauteed. You have to add tomato puree to the mixture and saute it. After your masala leaves the oil, you have to add all the spices to the mixture, which is half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon chili, and teaspoon of dhania powder and biryani masala, and saute it for about a minute. Then add some browned onion and chicken and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. The time your chicken is cooking, take another pan and boil some water in it. Now after 10 to 15 minutes your chicken is prepared. Add half a teaspoon of biryani masala and keep aside. Now in another pan you have to take some water and boil it for your rice. After heating the water. After you boil the water, add your rice and cook it only for 5 minutes or until your rice is half cooked. And now you see how to check your rice. If it is half cooked, remove it from the water. Run it under cold water. And now we'll start layering our biryani. Take a pan and line it with some butter or ghee. Then add your chicken and put a layer of rice on your chicken. Then put some brown onion, chopped coriander and mint leaves. Then put your chicken once again and put another layer of rice. Then put rest of your coriander and mint mixture over the rice and rest of the brown onions. You can top it with some raisins and some dry fruits if you wish. Raisin and dry fruits are totally optional. Now you have to put a foil paper over the pan to seal the pan. Add some saffron if you want. And now our layering is completed. To seal the pan, you must use a foil paper or some dough also you can use. So I have used a foil paper here, as you can see in the video. This is how you should seal your pan. And you have to take another heavy bottom pan, keep it on the gas stove, let it heat for a while, and now put your prepared pan of biryani on the hot pan and let it cook for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes you can open your biryani, and here is your dum biryani ready to serve. And if you like my recipe, please do like, subscribe and comment.